shakedown, you make me break. For goodness sake, I think I'm on the edge of something new with you. Shout out, don't drown the sound, I'll drown you out. You'll never scream so loud as I wanna scream with you. Standing there with your smile blinding your eyes from seeing my face as I'm dying to figure out a girl. But she drifts so far away, I'm on her coast, so maybe I should stay and map around your world. So don't say these currents are still killing me, and you can't explain by the wind when it pulled me into your hurricane, into your hurricane. Stand up, don't make a sound, your ears might bleed. They're sweet fluorescent enemies that live inside of me. The world moves faster than I knew, not fast enough to not creep up on you, and the space we put between. So hold me under your weather patterns, your cold fronts, and the rain don't matter, because the sun burns what I needed. So don't say these currents are still killing me, and you can't explain, but the wind when it pulled you into the hurricane, into the hurricane. You don't do it on purpose, but you make me shake. Now I count the hours till you wake with your baby's breath. Breathe symphonies, come on sweet catastrophe. Well, maybe this time I can follow through, I can feel complete. Stop paying dues, stop the rain from falling.